Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a rubber band chain. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to make a rubber band chain, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you and tell you exactly how to do it. It is so easy. All that you need is literally rubber bands, okay? So essentially, I'm going to show you how to do the first one, and then every one thereafter is going to be basically the same process. So follow along. For the first one, you're going to hold one rubber band out, okay? Then you're going to take a second rubber band and you're going to feed it through that first one. So I'm holding out the orange one and I'm taking this sort of brown beige colored one and I'm feeding it through it, okay? And I'm going to hold on to just the second one. So you can see right here, this is what it looks like. It is through that orange one right there, okay? Now, we have two openings over here. We have two ends of the second one, of the brown one. I'm gonna take one end and I'm gonna feed it through the other end. So look, I'm gonna take this end and this end right here and I'm gonna feed it through this. So check this out. I'm feeding it through itself. So I'm going essentially over this rubber band and I'm feeding it through itself. Look, through itself, just like that, okay? And then I'm just gonna pull on each side, and we've created the first part in the chain. Now, I'm moving on to this one over here, and I'm gonna get another rubber band, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm holding this one, I'm feeding this one through it, just like that, okay? As you can see, it is through it. Once again, two ends. I'm gonna take this one, this end, and I'm gonna put it through itself on this side. So I'm putting it through itself on this side. As you can, whoop, sorry, I'll try that again. It fell. Anyways, here's the original chain that we have over here. Okay, you can see these are the first two that we looped together. And then now we're going to take this yellow one and we're going to put it through them. Okay, so I'm going to try and not drop it this time. This one is going through this one over here, just like that. Okay, as you can see, it is through it. Okay, and then now, with regards to the yellow one by itself, I'm going to take this end and I'm going to feed it through itself. The yellow one. This end of the yellow is going through the other end of the yellow, okay, just like that, through the other end, and all I have to do is just pull like that, and we've created another loop, okay? Once again, it even works with smaller ones. So you can go like this, and you can feed it through, just like that, okay? And then you're gonna take one end, and this end over here is going through itself, like that. So, whoop, again, it's okay. We're gonna try again. So here's the triple band chain that we already created, okay? As you can see, we have the one that we already created, and then we have the new smaller band. I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna pull it through, okay? Just like that. And then we're gonna put it through itself, okay? Just like this. So now this is going through itself over here. I'm putting this end over here through itself. It's kind of hard to demonstrate, but just like that. Give me a moment. It's going through itself. It's kind of small, right? It's a small rubber band. But then you pull away. Okay, very simple. So basically, just to really summarize it, this is the last one I'll do. Okay, you're gonna take your new band and you're gonna put it through your old band. So the new band is going through the old band, okay? And then the new band by itself is gonna go through itself. So this end of the new band is going through the other end of the new band by itself, just like that. And then you can simply pull apart. There you go. We've created a rubber band chain, and you could just keep going on and on and on and on and on. And it doesn't matter how big or small the elastics are, it will work. That's the beautiful thing about it. And that is truly it. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. And yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed it. And I honestly have nothing else to say for this video tutorial, so I'm going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.